In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk rename files on your computer. Now, you'll imagine this is a simple task, which it is if you're trying to rename files with the same name. But what if you have a Google Sheet document with a variation of cells that you want to populate each video as the name of that cell? For example, we have each one of these videos. Now, the simple way to rename all of these videos is by highlighting them all, clicking rename, and then you can rename it like so. But there wouldn't be much point in renaming these files like this if you have a spreadsheet that you want to name each file under one of these names. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to be using a completely free tool called File Renamer. It's lightweight and super simple to install. Head to the download section and choose your operating system. For me, I'm Windows, so I use this one. If you're Mac, you want to use this one. And if you're Linux, it will be one of these. Once you've downloaded the software, you want to open it up. Now, there's a whole bunch of things you can do with this tool, but we're just going to be covering the fastest and easiest way to rename all of your files with a variation of different text. Head over to your file with all the different text and copy it. Inside the File Renamer software, click on Sources and then Text Source. Paste it in and make sure each text is on a separate line, and then click Exit. Now, with all your files, open up that folder and highlight all of the files. Just drag them in like so, and what you'll see is the name of the file column, and then under preview is what the new output's going to be. Now, when this starts populating, don't worry, it's not actually changed the names yet. That will only happen when you click the Apply Changes button. Now go to the mask area, and whilst this is pre-populated for me, we're just going to remove it and click Show Placeholders. If you scroll all the way to the end, it should be the second to last line, or it's this placeholder here. Go ahead and copy it, close, and then paste it in the mask area. Now, you can see the original names is here, and you've got the new preview names, which is here. Go ahead and click Apply Changes, and now that should have changed everything. So let's close this, go here, just refresh, and there you have it. We now have all of these files renamed with the variation text. For more creative ways on what else you can do with these sorts of software, go ahead and check out the links below. Thanks for watching.